Hi, I'm Rosa. I'm throwing dinner together. Another day of not knowing exactly what I'm making. Soup's on the menu because my husband is having vegetable soup every day, just about, as he's trying to get as many good vegetables in as possible, and something warm is always delicious. So let me show you what I got. Onion, some garlic. I'm gonna peel some more garlic. I have some broccoli in the refrigerator, spinach in the refrigerator, and boniato. And I'm going to saute the onions first. I've added garlic. It smells fantastic in here, but now I'm gonna add some seasonings. I'm just not sure which ones. Salt for sure. Pepper. Some smoked paprika, because why not? Garlic powder. Ground oregano. A little cumin. I'm going to add a little water. And just get those flavors off the bottom. I'm adding my boniato. I'm adding some chopped onion, and I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar and then let those vegetables get soft. I'm gonna go out on a limb on this one and add something that I usually don't add, and that's cinnamon. Why not? Let's see how that turns out. Hopefully it's not a fail. I gave this a taste and it's pretty good. A little on the sweet side because of the root vegetable. I'm going to use my immersion blender and blend it up just a little bit to get some creaminess out of it. The cinnamon's pretty good in there. It tastes really good. This looks more like a porridge now than it does a soup. Tastes really good though. I'm gonna add spinach. Adding the broccoli I had. I've added 1 can of coconut cream to the soup and turned the flame off. I had some Brussels sprouts that I wanted to use up, so I trimmed them up and put a little olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chopped onion, the little chopped onion powder you could say, but they're pieces. And I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 for a good while. Finished product is a delicious soup. Here's a nice salad. The rest of us will be having meatloaf and mashed potatoes along with soup, salad, and some Brussels sprouts that I roasted up in the oven. The soup was so really good. We didn't eat that much, but I did put some in super cubes so that we will have for the following week or two. So that's going in the freezer after it cools off. And then this will go, what's left in the refrigerator, for one more serving this week. I can't tell you how good this soup was. It was amazing. The cinnamon was a good addition to this soup. It was just so really tasty because it was sweet, and then the hints of cinnamon, and you had the onion and everything back there. It was so good, so good. If you like a soup sometimes that's a little bit on the sweeter side, that one fits the bill. I'm glad I made it. I'll make it again for sure. Thank you for making soup with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.